You're just moments away from doing that, so keep watching.
I've had this problem.
Big problem.
I really needed
the best live streaming server.
And I kept searching.
and searching.
There are so many choices.
It's really hard to find one that has all the things on my list.
But I finally did it.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.
If you were looking for one as well,
Look no further.
Here's a really good one.
Just use mine.
Use mine.
I'm very satisfied.
Definitely recommend.
Problem gone.
thank you.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.
Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the new product that will certainly make your life easier. So let's begin.
Did you know that you could have your own private, dedicated live streaming TV station where you can create multiple online live TV channels? With a dedicated Livebox streaming server, you can create multiple live streaming 24/7 TV channels, stream to multiple social networks, transcode, encode, record, schedule, manage IPTV, and even white label the product itself. And not only that, every server comes with a free video playout software, mobile app, and free video mixing software. Sign up at livebox.co.in to get your own dedicated live streaming server right now.
Hope you enjoyed today's brief update.
We are so pleased to announce our new product, and we are anxious to show you all its new features today. So keep watching. I really hope you found this video useful. Thanks a lot for watching. We are so pleased to announce our new product, and we are anxious to show you all its new features today. So keep watching. I really hope you found this video useful. Thanks a lot for watching. We are so pleased to announce our new product, and we are anxious to show you all its new features today. So keep watching. I really hope you found this video useful. Thanks a lot for watching.
In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best rated products that will literally change the way you are doing things. Thanks for watching. Click the link below for more. In the following video, you will see a home-based business that is so simple and automated, a beginner can do it. Let's start.
Hi friends, this is Nitya. In this video, I am going to share about how to check the speed and performance of the server. Commonly, we cannot measure the availability and speed of the server. But in this Livebox streaming server, we have built-in speed test so that the internet speed of this Livebox streaming server is transparent. Let's see the speed test. This system page, this is a speed test page. So down the go button, so click on this go button and it is in progress. This is the download speed. And this is the upload speed of this Livebox streaming server. So instantly, easily we can check the internet speed. So according to this internet speed, your streaming will be in good quality. And another important thing is this Livebox server will check its own internet speed, and it will also check the receiver's internet speed. So for TV channels, they will place the receiver anywhere, in any place. This Livebox server will monitor that receiver. What is the internet speed? What is the performance from this server itself? Next, let's see the service monitor. So this is the service monitor page. And these are the components built in this Livebox streaming server. So see, speed test client and speed test server is built in this Livebox streaming server. This Livebox streaming server will definitely have a constant internet speed like 1000 Mbps. So your streaming will be in good quality. And this server is ready for 4K streaming. This Livebox streaming server has a high speed internet and very low latency so that your streaming will be in HD quality. Thank you for watching this video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit the website.
Hello friends, welcome back to another video from IVV7. My name is Farooq and today we're going to talk about this device which is called WC5. So as we all know, sometimes it becomes difficult to take AV outputs to a system or any streaming software. So this device basically it's a portable webcaster which takes your AV output from your camera. As you can see, we have connected AV output and it takes it to your system or any streaming software. Now talking about the details of this device, it comes up with S-video input and also analog video which gives the final output to the system or any streaming software. It also comes with audio level controller, so you can set your final audio level and give it to your system. Coming to its power consumption, it doesn't require any external battery as it takes the power from the laptop or system itself. And you can also check the preview in the system itself. As you can see in the video, we are just taking the input from the camera to the system in a streaming software. Coming to the internet speed, it does single streaming with low internet and you can use it for different purposes when you go live. We also have a similar product which is called B413, which is identical when it comes to functionality. So as you can see, it's the basic hardware that we provide behind the WC5, which is having a S-video and AV input, which takes your video input to your system, and it comes up with inbuilt speaker. So this is basically two devices we have introduced so that you can go live easily with your professional camera.
Welcome to this video, and in this tutorial let's see about multiple website hostings from the Livebox streaming server. And recently a few updates were made on Livebox website feature so that you can now host 3 types of websites from Livebox. And you are going to see what are they as we move further into this tutorial. Let's get started. So here on the Livebox dashboard, I'm going into this websites from the navigation menu. And here on my websites list, you can see that I have hosted 3 types of websites, that is Grave, Typesetter and WordPress. And if you have surfed about website hosting from other sources, you might have already known that WordPress is one of the most popular content management systems in use. And these 2 websites are also other similar content management systems. So if you have Livebox in your hand, then you don't have to worry about website hosting, as you can create a number of sites of different types. So to create these sites, follow the steps that I am going to do now. First, click on this create button. And here give a name for your site. And then select whichever website type you want. Finally, click on this create button. So the site is now created. Once the site is ready to get started, it shows the running status here. So if you want to log in your site and get started with your website hosting, you can use this redirection provided here. And then on your site login interface, you can give the provided credentials generated by Livebox and get started with your brand new website right away. So now back on the website list, you can click this lock icon to get your website's credentials. You also have the option to change your password as you wish. But make sure to make a note of your changed password, because lost passwords cannot be retrieved from Livebox at any cost. Other than that, you have controls here to start the website, to stop the website, and to delete the website. And if you click on this gear icon, you can do all the file browser settings like uploading files or even change your site theme. And to log in this file browser, you can use this credentials provided here. Then moving on to the site loading issues, if there occurs any issues in your site loading, then you can use this refresh configuration button. And then if you want to control your website services, you can go to the service monitor, and here you can start, stop or restart your website services. And for the other site types like Grave or Typesetter, we have only delete control here, because once the Grave or Typesetter site is created, all the other remaining website hosting procedures like sign up will be done in the respective Grave or Typesetter platforms. Well, I think these are the basic steps you ought to know to host websites from the Livebox streaming server, and I hope you'd find this tutorial useful to host your own websites. And to know more on Livebox and website hosting, visit livebox.co.in. Thanks for watching this video. Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through the newly released bonding device from Livebox. To say about the Livebox bonding device, it is the only bonding hardware that allows the bonding mechanism to happen through multiple methods. As well, the way it provides fast internet with the low latency is incomparable to any other device available in the market. And also, the Livebox bonding unit provides 100% encryption, so one need not to worry about privacy and security while using this device. And one more additional factor about this device is, though the device is operated through PC, yet it has an inbuilt mini display that displays the real-time status of your bonded internet connections and the detailed view of bandwidth used by individual SIM cards. And finally, having all these attributes, still this device can be purchased at the lowest cost in the market. So now let me move on to the technical handling of this bonding device. In the first place, connect your bonding device and your PC using the LAN cable. Then you can go to your browser, and by using this IP, you can access the device interface on your PC. because this 192.168.95.1 is the default IP of this device. So now let's have a look at the Livebox bonding interface. Initially, while getting this bonding device subscription, you will be provided by the IB7 team the login credentials and the other details to configure your device. So to begin the bonding process, you have to first log in using the credentials provided. And once you log in, you can go on further by configuring your device by entering the provided server IP and server key in settings. And as I told you before, the IB7 team will be providing you the server IP and server key, so you can just enter here, and then if you click on this gear icon, here you can also choose the bonding type according to your usage, but still the default type works the best and suits the most. So after setting up all these things, you can click on the submit and your server gets rebooted automatically, and then you can go back to the dashboard and get started with your internet bonding. So after configuring your server, you can insert SIM cards on the device. So now if you have a look here, you can see the SIM cards I have inserted and its status. And also it shows the Ethernet speed as well as the hotspot speed and both of its download and upload speed. And then you have one more important settings to do. That is, you have to set the type for your SIM cards. So if you click on this drop down menu, here you have a few options. That is, when using the multiple data cards, we should set one SIM card as the master and it will function as the main SIM card. Then you can set one backup SIM card. That is, when the master SIM card fails, then the backup becomes the master. Then coming to the on option, if you turn on a SIM, then that SIM card data will be combined to the master SIM card. And finally the off option is to turn off the SIM. So this is the way you can set up your SIM cards for the internet bonding process. And then if you want to change your device password, you can go to change password and do it here. And while changing your password, always make a note of your changed password, as the old passwords cannot be retrieved. Then we have Wi-Fi settings here. So here I have the hotspot option enabled. Just like how the Wi-Fi and hotspot option works on your mobile phones, the same way it works here too. So if you turn on the hotspot option and provide the password, then the external device can make use of your bonded internet. And in the case if you want to combine even more data to the bonding process, then you can use the Wi-Fi option to get internet to combine from the external device or LAN. And then if you go to the service monitor, you can stop or restart your bonding device services, or you can also reset factory for all the services. And if you want to reboot, you can use this button, and to reset the server factory you can use this button. So this is all about the newly released bonding device from Livebox, and to know more about Livebox, visit livebox.co.in.
Hi friends, this is Nitya. In this video, I am going to share about how to build your own CDN setup using this Livebox streaming server. So to setting up your own CDN, first basically you need to know the Origin edge server concept. Actually it is a simple concept. That is, the Origin server will be in one place and the edge server will be placed in another place. So the data will be shared between this Origin and edge server. So let's see a scenario like Origin server is placed in Chennai office. So I am streaming to that Origin server, and most of my customers are in US. So what they will do to watch my streaming, they will retrieve from the Origin server, that is from this Chennai office. so that the latency will be very high. When they watch the streaming, the quality will be very low. So what we are going to do is, we are going to set up an edge server in the US office. So we are setting it up so that the US customers will retrieve the stream from the edge server itself, that is from the US office itself, so that the latency will be very low and the streaming will be in the HD quality. This Livebox streaming server will always have a constant internet speed, that is above the 1000 Mbps, so that data shared between this origin and edge server will be done very easily. So setting up your CDN using this Livebox streaming server is very much cost effective comparing to other servers. Commonly we cannot check the speed of the servers, but in this Livebox server we have a built-in speed test so that the server speed can be checked and the speed of the server is transparent. Let's see the speed of this Livebox streaming server. So go to the system page and this is the speed test page. So click on this go button. See, this is the download speed and upload speed of this Livebox streaming server. For server, the main thing is upload speed. So see, the upload speed is about 2000 Mbps. So now I'm going to show you, and this is the origin server, and next this is the edge server. So first I'm going to stream to this origin server. To stream I need a streaming software, so I'm going for the OBS Studio software. This is the OBS Studio software. Go to the source, click this add symbol and choose the media source. Then click OK and browse the local file. Choosing this file and click on the open. Then click OK. Now the video gets playing in the OBS Studio software. So first I need to connect this OBS streaming software to my origin server. So first create a channel, give a channel name, stream name and a password and submit it. Channel added successfully, then click OK. Then go to the dashboard. Channel gets created and the RTMP URLs are also generated. Go to the manage channels page and select the channel we have created now, that is TTV, and click on this streaming URL button. And the first one is that RTMP URL. So copy this URL, click OK and go to the Studio software. Go to this settings page. This is the general page and the next is the stream page, and paste it in the URL tab. And the last stream name and password are the stream key. So copy it and paste it and save it. So now it's ready to stream on the origin server. So click on the start streaming button. Now let's go to the origin server, and in this Livebox server we have a new facility to preview the live. So this is a previewing player. Click on the play button. So you can see the preview from this server itself. So next we need to push the data from this origin server to the edge server. So go to the edge server and create a channel, NTV and stream name and a password, and then submit it. Now the channel is added successfully. Click OK. Go to the manage channels page and select the channel we have created, that is NTV. Now we need to copy this channel's RTMP URL and connect it with the origin server. So click on this streaming URL button. So first one is the RTMP URL. Copy the RTMP URL. Click OK. And now go to the origin server. Then go to the edit a channel page. In this page, there is a push destinations. So you need to click on this add symbol, and you can stream on Facebook, YouTube. So now we are going to connect it with the server. So we can choose this external RTMP server. Click on this, then you can paste that RTMP URL and submit. The RTMP URL is added successfully. So click OK. Now we have connected the origin server and the edge server. So let's go to the edge server and see the preview. So now we are seeing the preview from this edge server. The video player and chat are embedded in this Livebox streaming server. So let's go to the embed code page, and the first one is for the player and down it is for chat. So copy the embed code, click OK, then go to your website, go to the source page and paste that embed code here, and then click update. So now in your own website a video player gets generated. So click on this play button. Now you can see the live video. Easily you can set up your CDN using this Livebox streaming server. It is very much cost effective too. So thank you for watching this video.